Caken Manor is King and Drury's heritage renovation project in West Wittering, a historical prominent part of the community, including a Grade 2 star listed house, with the tower and chapel being scheduled monuments. Using traditional construction methods, transforming a medieval structure into a 21st century dwelling. We're using modern materials, learning to integrate with old methods of construction. We've been using new lime, plaster, and integrating that with reed walls and refurbishing the sash windows. One of the oldest surviving domestic dwellings in the UK. Our historical finds have been medieval cesspit and foundations, carvings in the panellings next to windows to ward off evil spirits, and scorch marks on the rafters for topping out ceremony for good luck and also to ward off evil spirits. Using the finest skilled trades to create a modern yet sympathetic glimpse into the past.